everybody. Today I'm gonna demonstrate how to do boxing. So I'm with my dad right now. Say hello, Daddy.
Hello, hi.
So yeah, so we're gonna do some boxing. So I'm gonna put on my gloves and yeah.
Diba? May relationship. Sa
Okay.
kanya, hindi na kamusta ka.
So let's do the 1, 2 first, okay?
Nothing
Okay.
that will be discussed
Okay.
about your
Put my
relationship.
gloves
Parang
on.
walang nangyari. Bagong magkakilala.
Actually, parang it will lead into... Okay,
You ready?
they lead into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mental problem. Ma'am Sharon, ni girl lalo. Or kasi magtatanong ko, ano kaya nangyari dito? Bakit parang wala nang nangyari sa kanya? Tapos parang okay na agad.
Hey,
Ito po ay
do
nangyayari
your
sa
warm-up
babae.
first.
So we're gonna do 1, 2. So it's
In
basically
all
like.
lahat, hindi niya
Chop
sinasabi
and
natin
power.
na
So
sa
it's like.
friendship,
So we're
nangyayari
gonna
din
do
yan,
1,
di ba?
1,
May
2.
mga
I
kaibigan
should
tayo,
like
kaibigan
1,
natin for so many years,
Okay.
tapos biglang, wala na lang
Okay,
do your warm-up first,
Hindi
warm-up
kami
first.
So we're
ka-friendship,
gonna
di
do
ba?
this as a warm-up.
Nangyayari yan sa friendship.
With your
Nangyayari
legs,
din
with
sa
your legs
workplace
too.
yun. Nangyayari din sa relationship ng ganyan.
I'm
Basta
gonna do some jumping
Any
jacks.
relationship.
yes,
There you go.
any relationship.
Pero
Nangyayari talaga
Pero ito
yan.
mga Ma'am Sharon, si Diyos at Dr. Ali, dapat mong tanggapin. Ang tanong
Hey,
natin dito, kasi
ready?
siya paghihin ng
Okay,
sa atin,
one, two,
dapat
hey.
mong tanggapin yung taong
Jump,
bumalik sa atin.
move.
Pagkatapos niya tayong iwanan ng walang paalamanan. Oo nga, Dok.
Alam mo sa totoo, dapat bang tanggapin?
Hey, back off.
Iniwanan ka niya. Alam mo, choice
Hey.
niya iwanan ka niya o hindi.
Jump
It's
and
not
power
your
shot.
choice.
No, the other
It's
side,
his,
sorry, the other
his or
side.
her behavior.
Okay.
Choice na yan. Pero nasa sa iyo na yan kung gusto mo siyang
backward
tanggapin
little
o
bit.
hindi.
You gotta
I'm
smash
not
like
going to say
that.
huwag mo siyang tanggapin because you know what? Marami din akong naging kliyente o kaibigan na nakilala na after nag-ghost sila,
What did I say again?
and then they
jump,
work
put
through
your
their
hand on your face
relationship
to cover
because,
your
you know,
face,
they
right?
want to make it
Okay, jump, cover your face.
naging okay naman
There you go,
sila.
like that. Okay,
Meron o
move
walang
backward,
anak,
move.
nangyayari na
Okay,
naging
again.
okay din sila. Again, it's up to
Boom.
them if they want
Power
to
shot.
work on the relationship. But if they don't want to work on
Quick,
the
quick,
relationship, if only ikaw lang ang may gusto,
Okay,
huwag ka na maghila
Okay, the other side, other side, other side.
Mapupunit din yan.
okay, jump.
Diba?
This
It
one
won't
first.
work. It won't.
Left
So
side
it's
first.
your choice.
Boom, like that.
Tanggapin mo siya.
Ako, I'm trying
Yeah, like
to
that.
figure out why people do this.
Okay,
I
move
think a
backward,
lot
move
of these
backward, move
people,
backward. Okay.
meron silang certain personality
Yeah, yeah.
na parang narcissist. O mga narcissist. Kasi
Okay, let's
sila,
do one. Okay, okay.
it's all about them.
There you go.
The world revolves
Not like
around
that.
them.
Like
And
that.
then, so pagka may
Like
ginawa
that, okay?
sila, yung ghosting
Okay, move
or
backward, you're too
bombing,
close.
to them it's
How
not.
can I? Oh
Yeah, like that.
And it's always your fault. It's always the other person's fault. Kasi parang
Hindi sila.
perfect. Oo, perfect sila. Feeling ko
can
lang,
we do a
feeling ko
power
lang, may certain
Huh?
personality na
Power
gano'n.
Okay.
So, Dok, paano pa pag gano'n na halimbawa yung tao pala, dapat po ba magtanong sa
Okay.
psychologist, ba't po siya nagkaganon?
Oo, may mga red
flags.
flags naman.
May mga
Alright,
red
now we're
flags.
gonna do
If
some
you're in a
uppercuts.
relationship,
Okay.
So if you guys don't know
partner
uppercuts,
nyo,
so it's
eh parating
basically.
me, myself,
like
and
you gotta-
I, ang pinag-uusapan, me,
Okay.
myself, and I, at wala hindi ka kasama sa conversation, those are the red flags.
Oh, you did not cover your face. You should pay attention, buddy.
Most personalities that
Oh,
go
good
into
job.
ghosting and Hansung are narcissists.
That's not fair. Okay.
All.
Because some people also, it's about me.
Oh, I got you. I got you. Okay.
Maturity level.
Yeah.
So, kasi may mga tao na end a relationship ng maayos, nag-ghosting na lang sila. Kasi number one, that's more
Okay.
comfortable for them.
Okay, power shot
Number
first.
two,
Power shot.
hindi sila sanay sa mga confrontation. Pangatlo,
Yeah.
minsan sa isang relationship, dalawa kayo, yung isa nagsawa na.
You should put all your weights on your power shot right now.
Walang
With your weight.
sawang away na
With your
yung
body,
isa
you see?
nanlamig na.
Sa mga ayaw na matawag na ghosting, ayaw matawag na ghoster sila.
Okay, do your power shot.
somber
Put all
sila.
your body.
Kailangan
Put all your weights in the power shot.
magkaroon ng closure. Kailangan kausapin
Not like
talaga
that.
yung partner nyo,
Just
yung
like move
inyong-
like this.
Yung
See?
may communication
Your legs.
kayo bago nyo
See?
alisan yung
Boom!
isang
Like that.
relasyon.
Okay, okay.
Di ba? Ideal yan. Ideal yan. But take
See?
maturity to execute
Okay, other side,
in
other side.
passing communication.
Okay.
Ayan na. Nako, sa pag-ibig, marami
should
na
learn how to
talaga
power
ang
shot first.
galing
Okay.
lang sa una. Tapos sa dulo,
Okay.
nga.
Okay.
Wali na. Ganon.
Okay.
Naku, talaga. Tungkol dyan ang susunod natin usapan.
Okay.
Kaya naman walang bibitiw,
Okay,
magbabalik.
1, 2, 3.
Bang!
Boom, 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 power shot. Okay. Here is your jab, and this is your power shot. Okay. Okay. Yeah, like that. Quick, fast. Yeah, like that. Just shoot too close.
Ah!
See? Okay. Yeah, just, yeah. Okay. Yeah, like that. Go backward, go backward. Okay, more. Ooh. Okay. Oh. I told you, cover your face right away, okay? Get up. Oh. Good job. See like this, see? Punch, and put your step, and step. Boom, uppercut, okay? Cover your face first. I will do it for you, okay? Put your head. I'll do my jab like that. Do my jab like that. I went here and cover here. Boom! See? I get your uppercut. Okay, again. Okay. When I cover your face, and if I do like do your jab.
At Karina nga nalaman
Okay.
naman natin
Alright, shot.
yung
Boom.
ano yung catfishing, ghosting at love zombie.
Okay.
Saan naman kaya tungkol itong sunod nating
Okay.
Dear Momshi
Yes.
letter?
Watch your face, okay? I'm gonna hit your face, okay?
Dear Momshies, ako po si Ana, hindi ko tunay na pangalan.
Okay. Ah!
Meron akong boyfriend at 3 months
Yeah.
na kami. Noong una
Good
ay
counter,
masaya
good
naman.
counter.
Feel na feel ko
Okay,
ang
again.
love and care niya dahil sa efforts niya.
Oh, power shot
Pero
first.
ngayon, parang iba na siya.
No.
Minsan
Like
sweet,
that.
tapos biglang magsusungit.
Yeah.
Unti-unti na rin siyang nanlalamig.
Yeah.
Kapag nag-aaway kami,
Cover your face right
lagi
away.
niyang sinusumbat lahat ng mga
Go backward.
ginagawa niya sa akin noon.
Okay.
Kaya ako ang lagi nagsasorry sa huli.
Okay.
Mahal ko siya pero feeling ko toxic na.
Ow!
Grip your hand properly.
Back!
Okay, other side. You need to learn the other side too. It's not just one side. You get follow them. Both of them. Okay, again.
The days with you
Don't put your half, right? See power shot. Like
the rains would
not like that. Put like it's just like there's a spring on your head, like this. See, like this. See, and put your hand right away. Cover up your face. Okay, like this. See, I got you, boy. Come on, let's go, Max.
guess it's time to end it.
Come on. Oh, what's your step? Not like that. Just sideways, okay? Ah! Okay. Oh, I got you. Okay, I'm done.
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video of my dad practicing boxing. So bye guys.